Hi, my name is Umar Wasfi Saidgo. I'm in the school Ishik Boys International Secondary School. Today, I've made a project which is called an Adaptix. It's called Adaptix. Adaptix is an AI-powered robot. It's a multifunctional AI-powered robot. This multifunctional AI-powered robot is powered by four main computers: Arduino Uno, ESP32, CHH2, and a Raspberry Pi. I used the Raspberry Pi to code the Arduino Uno on Arduino IDE, and this code is sent by signals sent from the ESP32 to the Arduino with this smartphone app I made, which is coded by all of this HTML, JavaScript, C++, and Python. This requires the robot itself to move by this controller, to move forward, backward, right, or left. It can move in all directions. This motor is also used by this application I made. I have studied 2 years of coding. With my experience, I was able to create this application and this whole robot itself.